All right, are we live? How's it going? Let's see who we got in here. What's up, Silver? What's up, Jim? Brian's in the house. Michael, Rainy Days here. We've been putting in lower lows and lower highs for 3 months now. It's over. Oh man, what's up, Slava? If I just gave up on the market every time it looked over, I'd be broke. XRP to the moon. Yeah, we should all just bought XRP. Yeah, Swiftcoin here is having a nice little decent bounce. Still nothing bullish on it though. It's up 16%, so get out while you can. Just kidding. But Swiftcoin, are we back? I mean, I guess not really, huh? Besides the little bounce on Swiftcoin, there's nothing really happening. But a decent little bounce. If they can get back above 2 here, back over to 3-2, you can be bullish again. If not, it's just a slight relief from the death. Someone accidentally opened the window on the shadow realm and let a little bit of goodness through. What's up, Dave? What's up, Halo? What's up, Lynx? Good Rich, what's going on? No, we're not rich yet. Not even close. What are we looking at? Oh. "30 minutes for a new daily candle spawns in on everything." And that's what I just updated XCN. XCN's, how is it holding? XCN really needs to get a daily close above, if it's still above here. Let's see. I don't know. The momentum has finally shifted up and crossed bullish on the stock RSI. Swiftcoin has 30 minutes left to hold this candle above this trend. Which it has not done once yet. Yeah, Swiftcoin is trying at the moment. Yeah, the overall Moonwell chart is really good looking, if I can spell right. But there's a lot of things we look at that, you know, bottom needs to be in here. Oh, we got a little pump on everything or what? Oh, this is the KuCoin chart. Well, wow. So why does this have a large pump on the HTX chart? This is the one we've been using because it's been respecting the levels here. Let me move that one out of the way. Pull this one over. Wow, did it really sell off that hard? I hate different charts. Alright, it didn't do that on the other charts. What other exchange is well on? Oh, it's on Coinbase. Gonna have to get a better chart here. Coinbase. Well, let's see. Yeah, the Coinbase Coinbase charts are trash. Alright, we'll just stick with our regular well chart. A little bit larger of a wick on this chart here, but this is the one it's been respecting, so yeah, if we pull this up slightly, I guess we could argue the bottom is in. Trend is holding, higher highs and higher lows. Wells on the 0.5, as long as you're over 3 on well, just like a lot of different coins, it should be the bottom. Same thing with Arrow. I don't remember where Velo is. Velodrome. Yeah, Arrow here is 382. Trend is holding. We got to go up soon. Can't accept anything less, I guess. Yeah, well, Arrow. So many things are on the bottom. What's up, Flip Coins? How you doing, my man? What's up, Michael? Can we check XPT? What is that? Setting the 30-minute timer for SwiftCoin. Yeah, I agree. Every time we get a little pump, we quickly sell right back off. XPT. I don't know if we've ever looked at that. XPT. Yeah, what am I looking for here? Is this what I'm looking for? I don't know what this is. Let's see. Is ZVCN ready to do what XCN and Swift did? Huh. Yeah, so this chart here, huh? XPT UST chart. Alright, yeah, I guess that's it, because that's long and shorts. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Is this a crypto? Bitfinex scam. Yeah, if we don't include the scam wick, you're sitting right on the 0.5. You tagged at 236, 236. I mean, whatever this is not bad. It hasn't done anything. It's been going completely sideways. It looks to be getting stuck at the 618, but you're holding, well, 977. Price to beat is $1,012. And then if it holds up here and gets out of here at some point, well, it's only a 25% move to 1200. Yeah, I don't know what this is or what it does or where it's going, but completely sideways chart. Oh, it's platinum. Yeah, if it didn't have this large wick on here, it'd make it a lot easier on us. Well, you are in a downtrend here, so making lower highs is not bullish. So is this thing about to drop? A bunch of wicks. Every time it goes up, it comes right back down. So maybe over the next week it drops down to 940. Yeah, it could be the case. What's up, CD? What's up, O House? What's up, Eldor? Okay, I get you now. Arc blocks right on the bottom too. Starting to dip below 90. That's what I'm saying. I mean, bearish market structure on arc block, but we got to go up from here, or we're about to fall off the table big time. ZBC in. She's still getting stuck, huh? Let's see. Still bullish. I mean, you're over the 618 again at 18, so we'll see. But yeah, like you said, every time we get a pump, it just sells right off. But if you can hold over 18, maybe that'll tell us this thing's about to start finally running. I thought we were back, but there's nothing going on. Yeah, XPR still holding up. Still never did get in on Zen. I really want to, but I haven't yet. She's down here waiting for me. The market, everything's doing the same exact thing right now. There's nothing happening right now. Little pumps, and then we're just getting wicks all over the place. It's just nothing happening. You see the poll. So far, ACH is more bullish. Well, we got 28 people here. How's everyone doing? Yeah, we're fixing to get daily candles to close. I mean, if this doesn't cause XCM to go up, if we get a close above this clear downtrend it's been getting stuck at, if it closes above and then just quickly dies right back down below it, then that's not bullish at all. But you can clearly see every time it comes up here, it gets stuck perfectly at the trend. So maybe we'll get that close above. We'll see. Got 19, 18 minutes left. 19 minutes. Is there anything else doing anything? Can we check Nibiru chain on the weekly? See bullish divergence on the weekly RSI. Let's see, Nibiru. I don't know if we've ever looked at that. Nibiru chain. Yeah, we looked at a lot of the bullish divergence on some different coins. You talking about this? This thing's going to zero. He says bullish divergence on the RSI. If I can get anything to move. Yeah, I guess you're right. RSI is going up and the price is going down. So is this the bottom on this thing? We're trying to time the bottom on Nibiru. Yeah, where can you get this coin at? How can you pay? What's your prediction on that? What's up, metal detecting? Yeah, we're just waiting around for something to move. You thought about converting your Jasmine for 3.2 bitcoins? Really? Oh, you said daily chart. What are we looking at? Yeah, it seems to be on every chart. So the question is this the bottom? Whatever this thing is. It'd be nice to time the bottom, like the bottom on something. Put in a long position and just finally make some sort of money. But every time I try to do anything, it just goes the opposite direction instantly. Just a buzzkill. Yeah, whatever this is, if that's the bottom, you got to get back over 5 to confirm. Bullish back over 9. Not bad. A 618 retracement, if this thing ever wakes up, would be your 11x to about 23. 20x to 40, 43. Then 139, 140x to 280, new high. But it depends on what this is, where you can buy it, and all that good stuff. ACH. Yeah, didn't you say you just need Jasmine to what? 15 cents and you'll be a millionaire? We got Eldor for 2. I appreciate that. Zeta Chain at $10. Zeta Chain. Wasn't that thing going to 0? We might have to find a better chart for it. I don't know. Yeah, if this thing came all the way down, the question is this the bottom or is this a bear flag forming and it's going lower? But can it go to $10? If it ever bottoms out, maybe. I would say first you got to get $5 to $6, 17x. The question is though, is anyone going to buy this coin? I guess so. It's on Coinbase. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, not every coin's going to run, so not every coin's going to do 20x. Be a 30x to $10. A 5x to $1.70. So $1.70 definitely. $1.70 to $2 definitely, maybe $5 if we get a bull run, which we will at some point, hopefully. Just everyone's turning bearish like so quickly. ACH, someone said. What's up, Cha? Wind Moon? I don't think anytime soon. Unless we have a weird cycle and we just start having random coins go without ETH moving. It's just the fact that ETH hasn't moved. It's just, I don't see how we can run without ETH moving. Yeah, I think the overall chart on ACH here is extremely bullish. It's just getting curled up here in this pattern. Whether you want to draw it as a triangle pattern on the candle bodies, or you want to say even you're getting stuck evenly here, which you kind of are. Ascending triangle pattern on a large scale, by the way. So we'll see how it plays out. But you're above the 382, so technically bullish. Breakout is over the 618. Once you finally get a weekly candle over the 618 here at 5.5, then you could be bullish on ACH. But I really think ACH is going to shoot up here to 50 cents to 60 cents easily. So if it hit 50 cents, I would get out. That's a 16x. And then a 19.5x, 19.5x up to 60. Let's see. We did Nibiru. Oh, you just need Jasmine to go to 6 cents. Jeez. It'll get to 6 cents definitely. I think it's going to get 20 to 30 cents easily. Damn, that must be nice. Must be a nice fill-in metal, knowing that you're guaranteed to be a millionaire soon. Well, nothing's guaranteed, but definitely going to hit 6 to 10 cents, 12 cents, 20 cents. Nibiru is the originally from Babylon astronomy. He would give passage to those seeking to pass from earth to the heavens and vice versa. Okay. You can see it in the logo. No, I didn't move today. I got delayed for, I'm gonna move later in the week. I got things I had to take care of, so I'll be here for the next couple of days. Delayed again. I'll get there eventually. Yeah, it'll get there over time for sure. I guess we should go to the Jasmine chart since we're talking about it. Jasmine to the moon. What are we at? Kind of want to get all this off the chart just to clean it up. So we're right on that 786 here. Damn, you just need Jasmine to 6 cents. You just need a 200 and you just need a 3x, huh? But she's still holding up well. If I had that much Jasmine, I would... Yeah, I'd probably take profit on the way up. 12 cents, take most of it out, let the other ride, take more at 30, and then I would let a small moon bag ride to $1. Your portfolio went from 448 to 288. Yeah, when you have that much money in on a coin, it goes whichever direction it's going, it just sucks your money away quick. Yeah, and I wouldn't sell for that much loss, no way. But like I keep saying, hopefully we go up from here. Hopefully we don't have death in store soon. So many things are bottoming out. Pepe. What is Pepe doing? Yeah, Pepe's the same way here. If you want to draw a channel on here, Pepe should be getting a nice bounce from this point. Yeah, 270% move, so over a 3.5x up to 4035 on the next move up. Oh, we got 6 minutes left, I guess. uh, the XRP army makes the coin hateable. What's up way up north? You have QNT, Jasmine, XLM, XRP, and no memes. Can Solana coins run without ETH? Yeah, I think so. It might take Solana going to the moon for him to run, though. I guess we'll go look at, see if XCN can finally close over this level here. Got about 5 minutes left. Did she push it up again? Yeah, it's getting stuck right at resistance. That's what's happening. Can't get back over 2. I don't know. The fact that we're down below the 618 and it's back testing it as resistance, that 2-2 level was a big price to watch for a long time. Yeah, it's pushing with no volume, so it's a good step in the right direction, but there may not be no follow through here. He says American tax-free Solana coins. Yeah, I'm out of all my positions on Phantom Wallet Solana coins. They all went to 0, so I just took the little speck of money back out. I had to put gas in my truck, so oh man. 4 minutes and counting. Swift is doing the same thing. Swift coin, I don't remember. Needs to get back above the 382, I believe. Zoom this baby out. Yeah. Just low to the high here just to be bullish again. 2-1 it needs to get back over, but it's all the way back down here. Yeah, just a little pump, but nothing, I mean, nothing happening. Unless Swiftcoin gets over the 382, it's probably going down lower, just from the looks of it. Put it in a higher high, so I just hope we don't have to move all the way back down here. If it gets really brutal and everything starts dropping like 50 to 60%, then probably is best to sell everything and buy some Bitcoin. Wait for QE and everything else to come into play. Wait for all these coins to go against Bitcoin, which ain't happening yet. We need all these Bitcoin pairs to bottom out. Which, if you listen to Ben Cohen, is still far away. Ben Cohen will make you bearish as hell. But he seems to be knowing what he's talking about, I guess. Silver says Zebek. Yeah, she's trying to hold over that 618 right now. Zebek still looks bullish on the larger charts. It's still consolidating. We're just trying to see where this candle's going to close, which it looks like it's going to close over. We'll see where the new one spawns in. Can you imagine if the new one spawns in and it's just a big fat red candle down? If I can get anything to move. Come on, if we can get this baby to close over the 0.5. Where's all the XE and Moon boys? This is their chance. They need to buy this thing up right now. They have 1 minute left. Or it's going to come crashing all the way back down. Possibly. Excuse me. 618, 18, 19% drop. What are we going to have to do? Push the narrative now and say it's still stuck? What's up, Vince? He says fake pump. Yeah, there's just no one in the market right now. I mean, everyone's gone. Someone said watch the RSI. Oh no, the stock RSI is finally curled up here. Maybe this is finally it. Yeah, it's trad across bullish right now. So we're getting some positive crosses. 1 second left. There we go. I'm going to turn this into an XCN watch party again and go to the moon. Oh man, nice try. Ben Cohen got rid of all of his ETH. Macro time frames are your friend. Yeah. That's why we look at the macro on mostly everything. Ben caught for alt season in January. Oh, he called for alt season in January? He's a clown. You talking about next January? I think he did say something like that. We're going to go into 2020. I see a lot of more people saying that now, that we're going, it's going to be a longer cycle and we're going all the way into 2026. Hopefully that's not the case. That would be brutal. If we got to sit through the rest of the year doing nothing. Time to buy XCN. You got out of Zen and went all the way, or you went all in on ZBCN? Really? You're buying the green candles? Oh, so silver bought the bottom, huh? Yeah, we didn't get to talk about ZBCN very long, and then it just went. That's why I need to get in on Zen before it goes. Man, I just got to catch a pump like you guys. Yeah, it was a nice try. Someone inform us if XCN starts going back up, but she's coming back down. She can't get back over 20 or 2. Oh yeah, there's no volume on this chart. Yeah, this thing's right here. It looks like it's ready to break out. I guess if we draw it like this, what is this? Daily candles. We can hold over 1.8 and get over 1.9. Yeah, I mean, the more you zoom out, the more bullish it looks here. Did we look at? Yeah, we looked at Zen already. I just keep looking at Zen because I want to get in, but I can already see it. We're going to be looking at these charts, and you guys are going to be seeing Zen's going to the moon, and I didn't get in, and it's going to have a Z-back candle spawning in here. It'll be all the way up here at the 382 already. Such a massive move to get to these levels. 9x just to hit the 236 here. Oh, last January. What are we saying? He says we're all screwed. But yeah, you have people out there with all their different there's theories all over the place. No one knows what's happening. ETH hasn't ran yet. We haven't had alt season yet. There's people calling now for no alt season. So all kinds of bottom signals, in my opinion, are going off all over the place. Like I keep saying, maybe this time we just go without ETH and without everything happening. But like I keep saying, there's no one here. Swift, how high can Swift go? How do you spell Pyth? I think Swift coin, people are calling for $1 on that thing. Yeah, there's another coin that hit a new low and it's getting stuck right back at resistance, previous low. Simple back test, and now it's time to fall off the table. So unless you can get over 26 here, 26 and a half on Pyth, lower lows and lower highs, just like I said, it put in a new low. So there's nothing overall bullish on this chart here. It has to get back over 26, 27 there. Or it's simple back test stuck, and then down she goes again. Weekly time frame. Oh man, why'd you make me zoom in? Yeah, I would just keep it that simple. It's doing the same thing it did here. My only concern is this little strong move down and then the move up like that. You could be forming a bear flag pattern, but we're not going to draw it on the chart. We're just going to keep it simple. You have to get over 26, 27 for this thing to come back to any kind of life. And if that is the bottom, and off of that bounce, 1272 new high at pretty much $2 would be an 8x. Yeah, I think people are, from my understanding, Swift coin to $1. But one day we'll look back on all this stuff we were talking about and see where they actually ended up. Because $1 on Swift coin is a large move. It's a 72x almost to $1.25. Just to get to 50 cents, it would be your 28x. But first we have to hit 10 and then 20. Billion market cap, 5.5x, and then 20 cents would be your 11x to almost a 2 billion market cap. Alright, let me switch this song. It's getting annoying. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. I don't know who that is. The Jazz Mine. Tim bought 500,000 in Jasmy a couple of days ago. Is that correct? I don't know what that means. What's up, Solon? Can we check Mog? Yeah, I gotta get caught up on the chat here. What's up, Stone Santa? One theory is Litecoin could be the alt front runner this cycle. Oh, so Pyth got listed on Coinbase? Okay. They didn't pull the rug on it yet. Yeah, Coinbase seems to be listing more and more coins lately, so maybe they know what's up. They know what they're doing, listing these coins so they can make all the fees. What did we say? Oh, Mog. Yeah, I'm slowly getting my Coinbase list built up, but it's kind of pointless when there's no money in the account. Yeah, Mog looks just like Pepe here. There's no momentum right now. It's just sitting here pretty much dead in the water. Clearly holding this final support area, 236 area. It is just below it, but you can clearly see we're holding. The only bearish thing is it did just make a lower low from these lows. So that could tell us we're going lower. We'll see, but 24% drop to the 786 here. But if we get this, get this off. Let's tighten this thing up so we can actually see. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's pretty much trying to hold the 236 here. There's no real clear visible breakdown here. Yeah, you can clearly see it's holding. Ultimate low to the high, it's holding a 236. So overall macro zoomed out wise on Mog, it is bullish. And then 58 billion market cap would take you up here for a 30x almost. I don't remember what target we had here. Yeah, where did we get these levels at? Come on now. Oh, it's at the top of the fib, I guess. Damn. If Mog can come up here to 3 zeros, what is it at right now? 6 zeros or 7? If it could eat 3 zeros and hit 1 3, top of the fib, 58, 60 billion market cap, that's 166x from today. It's a massive move. But I would imagine when people pile back into crypto, they're going to buy these Mogs and Pepe, all the coins that they can buy on Coinbase, they're going to pile into. Is XCN bullish? Looked like it closed above the. Yeah, it closed above, but there's just no volume into it. But I mean, Pepe we looked at, Mog here we looked at. There's just so many coins that need to go up from where they are, or we're gonna get really bearish really quickly. If all these coins start breaking down from where they are now, it's gonna get real ugly. Yeah, we're just gonna have to give it time and see what happens here, because we did finally get a close on XC and above. I know what I'll do. I'll sell my little baby position. It's gone to zero pretty much anyway. Let me sell my XCN, and then we'll see if I'll get mine out and see if it'll go up finally. Just because ever since I bought in, it's going down. It's been going down ever since. I just didn't want to sell for a loss, but I don't really care anymore. What's up, Rachel? Jasmine. Yeah, we looked at Jasmine, but Jasmine is still holding over 2 cents, not doing anything. XCN here is doing nothing. I guess we got to come up with something else to look at, because we're looking at the same thing every day and we're not moving. Yeah, Jasmine's still holding. Oh, we got a little green candle spawning in. But that should be the bottom on. About to get a weekly bullish cross. We're over the 786 at 2. We still run the risk of coming down here, so just so you guys are aware of that, because someone a while back bought, I think it was Jasmine, and they said, oh, you said it was going up, and then it just kept dipping. There's always the case of a dip. Yeah, we could still drop 22-23% to the 16 level and still be very good. But I would like to think low to the high, bottom is in at the 786 at 2, and it's time to go up now. Yeah, we need to spike up about 20% and get back over 2.5 here. Let me see. Short term on Jasmine. Yeah, 236 is there to confirm bottom, bullish over 3. So 2.5, bottom is in, and then bullish over the 0.5 at 3. And we can finally start moving up on this thing. But you'll know you're really bullish on Jasmine once you get a weekly close over 5. We had 2 candles there get stuck perfectly. So once we get over 5, it's off to the races on Jasmine. Get up to 5 and then 6, and then that'll be in here being a millionaire. We'll have a millionaire in the stream. You bought XCN at 004. How about the Solana chart? Yeah, what was the price of XCN when we first started covering it? That's why I want to buy the Zen coin, because I should have just bought XCN down here when we were covering it. Oh, that was 001. Man, oh man. Sol, what is Solana doing? Yeah, Solana's at a real good price right now. Solana's another one that's about to bounce, in my opinion. 168 at the moment. It hit 161. Yeah, we were saying that Solana at 170 was a real good buy, and now we're down here. But Solana's pretty much doing the same thing XRP did. It broke out, it back tested our trend here. And it held the 618, so everything you want to see came to pass. I'd imagine sooner than later Solana's going to be back over $200 easily. Bullish back over 203. Wow, Solana came all the way back down here. So imagine whoever scooped up some Solana all the way back down at the bottom there. $8. Yeah, I think Solana's going anywhere from $700 to $1,000. 700 here, a little 4x, and then 1100 here would be a 6.5, almost a 7x. Here on the macro Solana chart, what do we have here? But yeah, I would imagine once Solana starts to run, that should help some of the Solana meme coins go. But they're all going to zero right now. Sold most years for big profit. Yeah, I would have done the same thing if I was to get in on it, but I never did until the top. But I told myself now, after buying the top on XCN, potentially, I'm not ever going to buy Green Candle again. Even if there is hype. Even if 300 people come in here screaming buy in. What's up, non-flop vids? Welcome back. Chawbot, XCN at 001. Damn. Yeah, I should have been right there with you. I should have bought in too, but I didn't have the money either, so I can keep saying that all I want. You scooped up Solana at 23 and sold like an idiot. We got Solon for 279. Says, can you check Mog? Yeah, I know. I should have known better. I did know better, but I got caught up in the hype again. We had all those people coming in here for XCN, and we were bullish, and she was going, and yeah, we looked at Mog already. Mog doesn't look bad. Mog is a Coinbase coin. She's going to go to the moon at some point. All these coins, these meme coins on Coinbase, I think are going to perform well. You you're gonna have all these young kids piling into Coinbase and everyone and their mother. And they're gonna buy this stuff up. But MOG on the macro, I appreciate the 279. Low to the high, I mean, we're sitting on the 236. Let's see what non-log says. Oh, non-log, we're sitting, let me fix this. Non-log, we're on the bottom. It is technically slightly below it, but you can clearly see this general area of support. But yeah, MOG's at the point where it needs to bounce down. Same thing with Pepe. Pepe is trading in some sort of a range. I guess this thing's starting to form a, what do they call that, a megaphone? But if this is the bottom and this thing gets some momentum, damn, it's a 12x almost up back to the top, to the trend line here. Depending on where you want to draw it, of course. We could pull it here, which I guess we should do that. About a 7.5x, baby. Backed up to the top. Yeah, and I'm not sure. Is this a bullish pattern or what? I've never really used the megaphone. But yeah, MOG's going to hit a 60 billion market cap all the way up here. What do we say? I think it was 160x. 160x to a 60, almost a 60 billion market cap. XE bullish right now on 0.25. Is it moving up? XDC. XDC. Let's see what XDC is doing. Yeah, I haven't been saying it lately, but yeah, you guys hit the like button, please. These bearish times. Oh, we got 50 people in here. Where'd everyone pile in from? What are we looking at? XDC. Yeah, I mean, XDC's holding up well. You're over the 618, so that's where you want to be. Like a lot of these coins that got up over the 618 already, if we're going to have a bull run and alt season, then these things are going to go to these higher targets. Maybe the ones that haven't moved, that are down at the bottom still, maybe they're not going to go that high. Maybe they're the coins that hit the 618s and that's it for the bull run. But yeah, I don't think we watched XDC back here. I guess we should have, but same thing. Bottom was in and that was it. We were too focused on XCN, I guess. But high to the low, sideways chop. That's where you want to be. Confirmed breakout to the upside over the 618 at 81. So that's your support. Momentum is down. What are we on? A weekly. Yeah, I guess we can get rid of all these lines down here. Yeah, you're getting stuck right at the 236 at 97, but you're over the 618, 32, so anywhere from 72 to 81, you're bullish still. More bullish over 97, and then of course 12. Let's see a monthly candle. Yeah, it doesn't look bad on the monthly. Big old double bottom W pattern with a higher low. It's just not doing anything right now. Clearly a monthly candle close over the 786 would confirm move up. But XDC, first stop is the new high for, if this is still correct, a 5 billion market cap. I kind of gave up on keeping track of all the market caps and circulating supplies on every coin. We're just going to guess at this now. But a little over 4x to 36, and if you think it's going to hit 50, it'd be a 6x from here to 50 cents. And like I always keep saying, you got to always take into account also, if you bought the bottom on this thing, what time's going to tell us when we look back. Well, it's not that large of a move. Alright, so overall that'd be what, a 17, 18x to 50 cents, so maybe it goes higher. If you think it's going up to 80 cents, then 28x. Yeah, that's what we say too. Zen can do 1000x. It has 180,000 holders, does it? Man, I gotta get in on that coin before it leaves. I just want to put 100 or 200 bucks on it. It'd be nice to put more on it, but I'll just put 100 bucks on there and hope for my 100k to save my life. So which institution is giving Zen that 1000x? Can we look at B3? Yeah, man. But yeah, we'll look at B3. Just kind of a slow day here, even though there's 50 people in here. That's shocking. Hopefully I got 50 likes. But yeah, Zen. So you guys think Zen has a chance at running at all? Just to hit the 382 billion market cap is a 57x. Yeah, 618 retracement. Just to get up here, take away 3 zeros. That's all I'm asking for is 1000x. That's all I want is a 618 retracement. And she's holding up on the bottom. I just need to scrape together a couple $100 to throw in there. What are we looking at? B3. What is this one doing? Oh yeah, B3 is the one that was on the daily chart and it ended up breaking down. Damn. Why didn't I just short this coin? That's all I should have did. But yeah, keeping it simple on B3. We've been saying this ever since it broke the 618. It's just coming down. It's making lower lows and lower highs. And if you wanted a good buying opportunity point for this coin, I would wait till it comes down. Possible 786 here. Another 14% drop. You're going sideways here. You're trying to hold some sort of a bottom, but you know what we can do? But I'm looking for 006 to get hit. Let's go ahead and draw this, see what we can see. So it needs to get back over 8.5 to confirm a bottom right now. Short term. Oh yeah, it's getting stuck right at the 236. So 7.1 and then 7.4. Confirm a short term bottom and to be bullish again. You're willing to let 1K ride for 1000x on Zen? Yeah. Zen is the governance token for X1 blockchain. It's supposed to launch in March. Oh man. You're making me more bullish on it now. Slava says he bought B3. Crow doing any better? I have no idea. Yeah, I understand they have a ton of coins, like trillions and trillions of coins. That's why I just want to get in a little bit. I just want to put a couple $100 on it. Crow. What about that Kaito coin? What is it doing? What are we on? 4-hour chart? Yeah, we'll go look at Crow. What is this coin doing? Going completely sideways? Oh, is this thing breaking out? Can't see anything on here. Low to the high of what chart we do have here. It's back over the 3-2. I can't see anything. Let me move this. Alright, that's high to the low. Yeah, this is the one they put on Coinbase recently, ain't it? Yeah, we're about to go up on some of these coins. This one just got to close over the top of the trend here. I guess you could argue it's still somewhat in there, but you're bullish over 153. Price is getting squeezed. Kaito to the moon. Everyone pile in. She's up 30% on the week. Crow. What is Crow doing? Zooming out on Crow. The big question on Crow is it going to actually hit $2? I don't know what we have drawn here. Oh, previous trend broke, got stuck. New trend in play. Yeah, I mean, it just tagged the trend again. So Crow's yet another coin. The bottom should be in here. It's just below the 618, but it doesn't have to be perfect. You are below 8.8, so if you break the trend, last support would be a 20% drop down to 6.5. Damn, this thing broke down, just melted right out of our bull flag. But I guess it was to be expected. It does the same thing every time. Higher high, back to a higher low, higher high, back to a higher low. So yeah, Crow's another one. The bottom should be in here. And then new high time would be the 618 at 30. 250% move, 3.5x to the new high. Yeah, not a bad place for loading up on some Crow coin here. And then from today, if Crow's going to hit $2, you can see we have 214. That'd be a 24x. Someone said Crow is going to be the next B&B, so I don't know about that. Oh, what is the chat saying? Is XCN going to pop again? No one knows. You know, you can just make more Zen on the network. You can just go on Zen and just make tokens. Is that what you're saying? Yeah, that was the rumor. Caspo on Coinbase, but I think it was just a rumor. Yeah, I don't think if Caspa ever gets listed on anything, it's not going anywhere. Yeah, Jim, what do you mean by they literally let you mint? You can just go on there and mint coins. So I can go on there and get me a couple billion coins and just make them myself. XCN. I mean, we'll see what happens this week. Tomorrow's what, Monday? XCN finally broke the downtrend, so I mean, it's a positive in the right direction. Yes, who said it was at 2.5? Someone's got hopium in their vision. This thing's still stuck down below 2. So what are we gonna get? A little baby daily breakout now. It's gonna come all the way back down here and back test the very bottom and then go back up. And what if it does do that? It just kind of chops around here for a little bit and then back test and then goes. Ah, come on. Come on. Yeah, what time is it? 4-hour time frame on XCN. Yeah, you're holding right over the 382. So short term, as long as you're over 198, you're bullish here. Crow has bad tokenomics. Yeah, I have to buy the Zen coin on Coinbase wallet, so it's going to be a gas fee. One of the reasons I haven't pulled the trigger yet, which I don't have the money anyway, but I hate gas fees. Oh, it's in their white paper. Network users can't mint. Oh, network users can mint. What's up, Justin? XION, what is that? XION, I don't think we've ever heard of that one. Was that Zion? Let's see what we got here. Oh, that looks horrible. Yeah, what is this? Without using the scam candle there. It looks like the bottom is being put in here. Depending on where you want to draw this. So $1 is the bottom. Needs to get back over 180. I mean, if we're going to be fair with it, you can clearly see there's a bottom being put in here. But if we do this, which I guess we have to, you got to get over 150 to put the bottom in, and then we'll do wrong tool. Yeah, not bad. Low to the high, you're holding the 618, so $1 is your bottom, possibly. That's what you want to see. Back over 150, bottom is in, and then bullish over 222. So if that is the bottom, 786 would be a 6.5x to 670, and then a new high on this possible coin is 25x to $25. Never heard of that one though. Yeah, and I need to look into the Zen coin a little better, I guess. Go see what they got going on. Can we look at GLM? I guess. GLM. Why did I type that? Yeah, let me see what the poll's saying here. The poll, 62 votes. It's almost tied. What am I looking at? GLM. Oh. What is GLM? Is this the Golem coin? Oh, we're on the daily. Let's see. GLM came out and went sideways for the rest of its life. Not bad looking on the monthly. Looks like a big double bottom W pattern on the monthly. Oh, she's moving up a little bit. So this is one of those coins, not the greatest respecter of anything, but just going completely sideways here. Let's see, 3-day candles. Just keep it simple. I mean, there's nothing bullish on it because you're lower lows and lower highs everywhere. Just made a lower low. Nice little pump going at the moment. So your support right now is 33. Needs to get up over about 40. And then, of course, 51. She's double topping. That's it. I don't like this chart. But short term on GLM, whatever this is, like I said, double top is in play at the moment. Stuck below the 236, so as long as you're over 33, 336 here, you're bullish. The 0.5. Once you lose that, then it's coming back down. Especially off of that little double top it's formed. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what this is, but just the chart alone, I would never buy this because it just doesn't look enticing at all. Which, let me see here to be fair. GLM, USD. Let's see if we got a better overall chart. Alright. Wow. How old is this thing? Alright, let's see here. I'll take everything I said back about GLM. Let's see what she's doing now. A lot better, a lot easier when you have the right chart. High into the low. Yeah, you've been going sideways for a while. Accumulation is not bad. You're holding the 618 at 33 still. Alright, yeah, alright. This one looks good. What are we at? 36 cents at the moment. Yeah, it's never bad when you see this accumulation, especially for this long and holding up. That's bullish. Oh, not bad. New high on this one to $6 even. 16.5x. Alright, so now I like Golem. This one's on Coinbase, ain't it? to add this one to my list. Throw up the Binance chart. Alright, so Golem's not a bad one. XEM is going to the right, that is all. We got flip coins for 5. I appreciate that. He says QNT, please. I appreciate the 5. When ETH goes up in price, it's going to slow down minting, right? It's super cheap to mint Zen with ETH price low. Yeah, how much does it cost right now to print to mint some Zen? Like I said, I'm gonna have to go look into it now. QNT. Alright, QNT, what are we doing? Yeah, I think we looked at QNT last night. As long as you're over 84, 85, bottom is in. If you get back over 100, you're in a good spot. I remember it's got a nice looking monthly candle at the moment. If I can ever find the chart again. Quant. Yeah, Quant's still in the same spot. That's what we said last time. 5 days left. If we can get this candle back up over the 382, back over 100 to close, I think that would almost signal that this thing's about to finally break out. And then as for the 84, 85 level, I believe it's the 618 you tagged. On a smaller time frame here. Don't remember where we drew this at. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah, it came down and tagged it and we bounced. Right now you're getting stuck right below 382 macro and 96. So 96, 97 up to 100 is your price to get over right now. And then once you're over 100, once you break over 110, not only are you short-term bullish, but that could tell us the breakout is finally happening. Those are weekly candles, but I would really like to see a monthly candle close over the downtrend here. Then you'll know you're in a good spot. But the overall QNT chart, the macro, you just zoom out here, this thing looks really bullish. The question becomes, are we going to finally break out of here? Or are we ready for more chop until the end? Until the end of the year? But yeah, I would say if it gets back over 100, you're in real good shape. 100's been very good support for this thing for a long time. And then, honestly, I don't know where this thing's going. We've always said $2,000 plus. But 11x to 1100. 1800 to 2000 would be your 18 to 20x. I think that's very fair. 5,000, 4.5 to 5,000 would be your 45 to 50x. But if I had QNT, I'd probably get out at 1,000. Let some ride to 2,000. Brian said he's loading up on XVG and GLM. Yeah, is GLM on Coinbase? Does someone know? That way I can remember to add it to my list. Yeah, the next time I just see a chart that doesn't look great, I'm just going to find the right chart. Because went from being bearish on it to being bullish on that one coin. Just like that. He's gonna go check out GLM. All right, let me see. All right, it is on Coinbase. All right. Yeah, valuation on GLM looks really good. It's gonna be the next ZBC, and it's gonna take off before I can get in. GLM. All right, how many people we got in here? Oh, we still got 46 people in here. Did everyone answer the poll and hit the like button? Come on, the computer's running slow again. Man, come on. Come on, computer. All right, what are we looking at? Wait, what the hell was that? I was trying to bring up deck screener, but this said, what is it? SUI. Yeah, SUI's going to be a good play this cycle. I think SUI and Ondo are going to be too good. Too good of the newer plays. Overall chart, monthly is holding up very well. Yeah, we're holding over the 1272 and the 236 at 304. Starting to curl up again here. Up 5% on the week. Yeah, looks like you got a nice little bounce. So next resistance is 4. Another 18% move up. It all depends on where this thing's going to end up in 2025 or whenever it's going to be. 50 billion market cap is a 5x to $17 to $20, and then $30 here would be your 90 billion market cap. About a 9x. I mean, if it stays up here, I don't see why this thing wouldn't continue to run. What are we at? $3, $4. Yeah, I guess SUI is going to 100 billion market cap. So what is Ondo doing? Come on. Oh, that's so bearish. Oh, it was a nice try. Kent. What is Kent? Let me check Ondo real quick. Yeah, I guess Ondo doesn't look that bad either. It has the same chart as SUI. Just an overall upwards chart. But we are kind of waiting now that we're below the 786 for Ondo to come back down here to $1. Maybe to go a little lower than that, but another 14% drop to $1 would be a good opportunity to get in. But maybe the powers that be will send this thing down to the 382, 75 cents. And then we'll get in there. That would be a good spot to get in on Ondo. Kent? I don't know what Kent is. Kintsugi? What the hell is this? Jeez. Yeah, what is this coin? Where can you buy this at? There's not even a wick up here. Down and sideways forever. Yeah, this one's down at the bottom. And it looks like it's trying to hold some sort of a bottom here. Let's see. It's probably not any level. It could be a 786. Let's see. Pretty close. So is this the bottom on whatever this coin is? Could be. So if you can get back over 30 and a half and then 45, bullish back over 78, bottom in over 121, but it looks like it's trying to form some sort of a bottom here. But the question is, what kind of damage can this thing do? I don't know what this is, but it looks like the Zen and the XCN chart, these coins came out and went to zero now. If they're on any kind of an exchange for a bull run, then maybe you have something here. 4x up to 121 to confirm macro bottom. Not bad. A 13x up to 382 to be bullish. 970 to 10 bucks would be your 33 to 35x. And a 618 retracement, possible $24, $25 would be an 84.5, 85x. So yeah, it depends on what this is. What's up, Derek? What am I looking at here? We did GLM, XV. Oh, we didn't do that one. Can you look at Hoppy, please? It had a huge drop. Yeah, I got out of all the meme coins. It's just, they've been looking so bad lately. Oh, man. Yeah, there's nothing bullish on this anymore. It broke the trend. It made a new low. There's no telling if the bottom is going to be put back in on these coins. But we're seeing these other coins, Pepe and Mog, are right here. So is this telling us what's going to happen to Pepe and Mog? About to die? I guess we're going to have to adjust this now, since you made a new low. So Hoppy, if that's some sort of a bottom, 20x to a new high at 3069. But yeah, like I said, that's not bullish at all. To break this low here, lower low, is not a good sign at all. Clearly pulling an XCN, massive downtrend in play. So depending on where we draw this, yeah, you could spike all the way back up to the 236 and maybe even the 382 and still be bearish. Yeah, this thing could spike up 55% and still be bearish. But if you can get up and get over 5.4, break the trend and confirm a bottom. That'd be your only hopium on that one. Oh, it does something with Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, we do need another leg up soon, like soon. You need AOS to go to $5. I'd be stoked. Even $2.50, $3 would be nice. OM, Mantra, the coin no one cares about. The coin that's forever going up and no one cares. Oh, this thing's still going. Yeah, why don't I just put in a long position on this coin? Never goes down. Almost to the 1618, not quite there. High to the low. Yeah, this thing just ran. This thing blasted off. Jeez. So I guess the only thing we can say, if it gets over 10 from where you are now, it's going to shoot up another 5.5x. 42 billion market cap to 45 bucks. If it can get over 10. And then just short term, keeping it simple. It is having a red candle spawn in here. As long as you're over $7, 7.12, you're bullish. 7 even down to 6. Oh man. So Mantra's clearly in a bull run, huh? Especially if we zoom out to the macro. Come on. Are you kidding me? What is that? She's already done almost a 500x from the bottom. Oh man. Why didn't we hear about Mantra back here? Ski mask went over 50%. Yeah, I'm surprised we have 40 people in here. Yeah, it's about time for a bounce, I think. I tried opening up Deck Screener earlier, but it told me, I don't know what it told me. Ski Mask Dog still bullish? Is that what you're trying to say? Let me pull it up before I pull it up. Been sitting in this chair almost 2 hours. I'm about to rock it out of here myself. Ski Mask Dog. I think it's just ski, huh? Come on. Ski, yeah. A lot of things look like they got a nice little bounce today. Not a lot of things, but, you know. If I can get this to pull up right. Yeah, it looks like Ski got a nice little relief bounce. That looks like it was it. So the question becomes, is that the bottom? Not a bad looking wick for a little bounce back here on ski. Oh yeah, you're sitting right on the 236, so you're sitting on bullish support perfectly at 7.6 here after that little wick down, so you're still technically bullish here on this one. So that's good to see. Nice wick and then sitting holding bullish support. And of course you got to get back over 12.5 and then 23. And then next stop up is the 1618 at 56 for almost a 7x on ski. Yeah, one of the few coins that seem to be still holding up here. Ski mask. Toshi. Whatever. Come on. Yeah, Toshi's still holding. She's going sideways now. Above the 0.5. Now, as bullish as I am on Mantra there, I wouldn't buy it. It left without us. It already did a 500x. I can surely buy it and I'll stop it. I'll stop it dead in its tracks. Top will be in if I buy in. Yeah, he's down 50%. What's up, Stormtrooper? He saw deck screener. They smelled deck screener, now they're coming in with the scam coins. Mystery. Matt Fury coin. Is that the one we used to look at? Mystery, let's see. Mystery, Matt Fury's Frog. Is it on BNB? Yeah, let me know if it's on BNB. And then we'll go back over there. ZBCN while we're waiting on Matt Fury to answer. Yeah, I think ZBCN's the only coin that's bullish right now. Seems like yesterday we were looking at it down here. Yeah, what are we on? Yeah, simple high to the low. Yeah, we're trying to see if this thing's gonna, oh, it's back down below. So you need to stay over the 618 here. You're potentially in a consolidation in this triangle pattern here. Still getting stuck. But we really want these larger candles to get back over the 618 because you can see weekly candles got stuck and now we're down below it. So if you can get back over 183, that is a good spot to be in. As long as you're over this 618, you're good. But we mentioned this when it started running. We said the same thing on XCN and so many other coins. 618 retracement, you get stuck, wick over it, and that's it. So we do have the candle below, but we are still holding up. So we'll see what happens here. Yeah, XPR has a good looking chart too. Super Grok ticker on SGrok on ETH is blasting off. Been in it since 200K. Mystery Matt Fury Matt. Yeah, I can't find the mystery coin. I don't know. I think it's the frog. If my computer wasn't so slow. I guess it's this one. It just spawned in, I guess. Let's see, what are we looking at? Super Grok. So SGrok on ETH, alright. SGrok. Alright, we're gonna go over to deck screener here, but yeah, you're right. I gotta get out of this chair for a minute. I'll be back in about 5 minutes, so you guys just hang around, talk to each other, and just chill. Look at a couple of deck screener coins. So any other deck screener coins, just throw them up now. Let me make sure I covered any super chats. Make sure I didn't miss any. But yeah, you guys hit the like button, answer the poll. Okay, we got that one, got that one. Okay, we got them all. But yeah, I guess since there's 40 people in here, I'll let all you guys know that I did recently add, if you haven't been here or you missed me saying it, but not only can you send super chats, but there's also, I got Buy Me a Coffee now, link in the description, PayPal, tip jar, and of course Cash App. I don't really like to shill that or mention it, but it is what it is. Wow, Vision's still streaming? No way. Is he still streaming? I watched him for a minute earlier. There's no way he's still on. Let's see. Alright, I got SGrok written down for ETH. 34C7. Yeah, let me write this down. And like I said, I'll be back in a moment. I gotta go get some coffee or something and get out of this chair for a moment. Been here for 2 hours. What's up, XN, bro? Pyth. Yeah, we looked at Pyth already, but we'll go back to it in a moment. What's up, Roger? How you doing? How's the weather down in Mexico? You're an administrator in the community. Continues to grow strong. Elon Musk been hitting at posting it on X. Oh, so you're an administrator to the SGrok coin? Does it have anything to do with regular Grok? Or is it just another coin? Let me put this on the Pyth chart and then I'll go and I'll be back. If I could spell right. Yeah, we went over Pyth earlier. It's either the bottom is in or it's not. Nice little bounce off of the bottom. Nothing bullish on the chart. Lower lows, lower highs. So you got stuck right at the 236 at 26 here. So you could easily come back down and take out the low. Until you get back over 26.5 here, there's nothing at all bullish on it. But you can see that's going to be heavy resistance. All this area of support. And you're stuck down below it. So to zero shadow realm you go. Alright, yeah. I'll be back in about 5 minutes or so. Be right back. Alright, we're back. Are we still here is the question. We lost 10 people. New coin, all organic. Moving slow but growing nicely. Sub Shadow Frost. What do you think about ACH? Still bearish. Been in since 2017. Oh man. All right, let's go look at these two, or this coin on, what are we on? Mystery. Let's see here. Yeah, this is the only mystery coin I see. Matt Fury. I don't remember who asked for it, but we're here. Came out, went to 0. Now it's time to go up, it looks like. Yeah, this thing's all the way down on the bottom. Yeah, there's really not much to say on this one. I mean, it's a gamble play. Looks like it's slowly starting to curl up here, depending on what we want to draw on it. If we exclude the scam candles, let's see what it tells us. You're trying to hold the 236 bottom in over, what is that, 10 zeros, 10-0. Bullish over 10 zeros, 1-3. That's on the much smaller fib. But yeah, at this point, I treat all these coins as just gamble plays. Maybe throw $100 on them. Yeah, 50x, new high. Up to 9 zeros, 5-6. What was the coin you said? S-Gronk. Come on, computer. S-Gronk. $3.4 C7, I think you said. Yeah. S-Grok, 751k market cap. Okay, it's got lock liquidity. That's good. Almost 600 holders. And this thing already left. Now this thing actually woke up from the dead. This is what you're looking for in a coin to come out like this and drop all the way to 0 and then come back to life. Yeah, down over 96%. And already leaving the station. So this thing's bullish right now. 10 zeros, 6, 7, so a lot of zeros is always good. So bullish over the 382 here. Next stop up is a higher high. 9 zeros, 2, would be a 3x from here. What are we looking at here? Oh yeah, Pyth. Yeah, Pyth doesn't look good. I don't think the bottom's in. ACH is bullish on the macro. What's up, JP Havoc? Duco on Solana. What is that? Edge. Yeah, I think it's this one. We looked at this one before. Oh yeah, Edge is looking very good. It looks like the early days of Arrow and Caspa. Very short term, low to the high. We're over the 23632, so as long as you're over 117. Little candle hugging the top here. As long as you're over 117, you're bullish, and you can clearly see. Yeah, we covered this same thing on Caspa and Arrow at one point in the early days, and they blasted off from this ascending triangle pattern here. So this looks extremely well. The question is it going to break out soon? Yeah, there's really nothing to say. As long as you're over that level, you need to break over 145, and then it's off. Off to the moon. Damn. Get that off. Yeah, is this thing about the 60% spike up to 220? And then possible $4 for a 3x. Yeah, that's not a bad setup. Wonder if I can trade this coin. Probably not. Everything that looks good is not on Blowfin. Yeah, it's not on there. Everything with the good setups I can never use. It's unfortunate. BTC dominance needs to drop. Yeah, we need it to drop so the money can flow. Oh, it came out 11 months ago. Yeah, that was the right one. Yeah, everyone piling to Edge. She's about to blast out of here. But yeah, ACH is just, it's still macro chopping around until it gets over the 618 with a weekly candle. Then by that point, it'll be too late to get in. But yeah, I'm very bullish on ACH, but it's not doing anything right now. Oh yeah, ACH has the thing, has the same pattern here on the macro. Big old double bottom inside of it. Yeah, if you just zoom out to the macro on ACH, this thing looks extremely bullish. She's going to blast out of here and hit 50 cents before we know it. Of course, we got to get over 5.5 and then 10. But yeah, you can just look at it here. It's getting curled up, whatever you say. Holding over the 382 at 2.5 and in a very bullish looking setup here. 16x to 50 cents. Yeah, I just can't buy edge. Everything I see that has a good setup that I would like to put in a long or a short, it's never on Blowfin. That's the only exchange I can use to short and long. But where's the dominance right now? 61 almost. Yeah, we already had the spike up on the dominance here. Maybe that's it. It's time for this thing to come down already. That's what we were looking for, though. We've been saying it for a very long time. We need a nice spike up. And then, I mean, it's taken forever because this is monthly candle, weekly candles, but we just need to get a nice drop. And then we'll get our alt season. And I know there's so many things that have to happen too. Oh, the DXY is dying. It's a positive. Oh, ETH is going back up. The Bitcoin dominance, or the Bitcoin pair bounced. It was sitting right on our green line here. Or maybe it still is. Oh man, come on. I keep grabbing the wrong thing. Clearly a downtrend here. So once this downtrend is broken, you just hit the bottom. So this is what we need. We need the ETH to Bitcoin pair to go bullish. Break this little downtrend here. See if we can draw something on here. Maybe we can get a level to watch. Maybe not. Maybe over the 236 at 3-1 Satoshis, and then it's out of here. We're getting there, just not there yet. And then looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's still holding up in the monthly, weekly, whatever you want to look at, but it's still holding up in the bull flag. If I get anything to work right. Come on. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin looks bullish here. Let's see. We got Bigfoot says hit the like button, y'all. I appreciate that. You're not even part of the channel. What does that mean? You're not subscribed? I appreciate you being here all the time. Let's see. Bitcoin dominance we looked at. Do you have any knowledge on AVAX? Not outside of the chart. I think I did an AVAX update today. I believe I did. AVT is bullish. Yeah, AVAX here looking on the monthly, weekly, wherever you want to look at it. Possible inverted head and shoulders pattern formed. So it looks macro bullish. We just need to get this candle back up over the 382 at 25. But yeah, a lot of these older, bigger, heavier coins, I think they're going to run just like XRP and XLM and HBAR did. At some point, Litecoin, AVAX. But I think $200 to $300 for an 8x up to possibly a 12.5x on AVAX is possible up into this box. Litecoin, what is Litecoin doing? Litecoin and Gala and what else is there? Matic, Polygon. They look like all these charts look like they're getting ready to make a move up at some point. XPR is going to explode. Yeah, XPR is in a bullish setup right now. But yeah, I think all these older coins, AVAX and Litecoin and Chainlink, all these coins are going to have their day. Soul was cooked. What's up, Jat B? ATM says, can you check out Kaito? I think Soul is at a very good buying spot. We looked at it earlier. But Solana. Damn, is she coming back down? Oh, she is. She's at 164 now. I mean, you're simply back testing this previous trend here. So this needs to be the bottom on Solana. We need to go up already. Alright, so if we draw low to the high, we have the 618 here. So we'll say that's the bottom. 160. 160 is not a bad price at all. On Solana here. Yeah, we looked at that Kaito coin earlier. I think it's a 4 hour. Yeah, see the Kaito coin on the 4 hour here is still holding up, consolidating. It's dropping a little bit. Damn, why are we dropping on everything now? But this one looks like it's getting squeezed. I mean, it doesn't have to break to the upside. Maybe it'll break to the downside, but this tends to be a bullish setup here. Got room for maybe one, maybe two more 4 hour candles to spawn in here. Hold the 382 and then blast out of here. But 153 is your price right now to stay bullish, but it is holding the bottom trend line here and getting stuck at the top. But I could see this thing doing what some of those other coins did, to where they did break out of here, but then they get stuck instantly somewhere and then they just die. So if this thing does pump out of here, 170 to 180 could be your stop, and that's it. Or it could blast out of here and keep going. Yeah, because we have all the way to the top of the fib here at $10 would be about a little over 6.5x from here. I mean, when you think about it, that's not a large move, but looks to be bullish to me. AVAX is a solid project concept. You're an IT engineer, and subnets is really good. I trust you put 50% on ACH. AOS, what is AOS doing? Yeah, I think AOS. We haven't looked at PNG or any of those coins in a while. Yeah, you guys, I did a Ford video. Ford had a nice little relief bounce, but yeah, AOS is the same as Solana. A lot of these things are doing the same exact thing to where they broke the trend, broke the pattern, and now everything's back testing and trying to hold. So AOS, as long as you're over the 786 again at 43, time to move up on this one. Same thing with Solana. It looks exactly the same here. Bullish back over 51 and a half. So that should be the bottom for AOS. And then AOS, where's AOS going? The first target is the $4 to $5 range. That would be about your 10x. And then we have $8 here, 9 billion market cap for a 20x. And then the $20 range, 50x, $21, $22, 25 billion market cap. But we first got to get $4 to $5 on this thing. Arena on AVAX. What is that? Deck screener coin. Super Grok's taken off. I think we've looked at that, haven't we? Arena. If I could spell right. Arena, yeah, we looked at this one. Yeah, you're still holding it up over the 3-2 at a penny, so you're bullish over a penny, and then 1-3 is your price to beat. That's where it's getting stuck right now. So if you can punch through 1-3 and then eventually 1-6, new high on this one would be 5.5x to 6.5 pennies. All right, how long we been on here? All right, we're over 2 hours, so I think we're gonna end it here. Kava. I don't think there's anything bullish on Kava, if I remember correctly. Yeah, Kava's down below the macro 236, down below the 3-2 short term, holding right on the 0.5. So it looks to be going sideways here once again. Accumulation just like here. So that's not bad to see. As long as you're over 43 down to 38, you're good. But you already tagged it. You already tagged it and you're back above. Need to get over 49.5 to be bullish short term here. Or 49 pretty much. And 42 is your support. And then back over 58. Confirm the bottom is in. But like I said, lower lows and lower highs. So there's nothing really bullish on the chart. So we can hope this is the bottom. But it's nice to see that accumulation. Bullish back over $1. So out of that accumulation, you should get a nice move up. But Kava 786 retracement in a bull market is a 10x to 4. And then 1272 possible new high at 25 would be a 55x. If that's possible. But like I said, the overall chart hasn't woken up yet. Alright, let me end the poll. Yeah, we'll be back on here tomorrow. Maybe a little bit earlier of a stream. Alright, 92 votes, not bad. We usually get near 100 votes before the stream ends. But I appreciate you guys being in here. Oh, you are subscribed. Alright, I just saw that. Yeah, nice turnout. We had 40 people in here at the whole thing pretty much, so that's good to see. Still growing, still getting the channel up and going. Still headed for 20,000 subscribers at some point, hopefully. And hopefully we'll flip bullish at some point. Get us out of this mess, get us all out of the shadow realm. That would be nice. Can't wait to be happy again. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys coming in. Appreciate the couple of super chats that came in as always. And we'll do this all again tomorrow. With that being said, none of this is financial advice, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.